Hi everyone, this is Aga from EurekaCrystalBeads.com and I'm here with another fun unboxing video for you. But before I get started, just a quick reminder to check out the rest of our channel, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and don't forget about the notification bell so you never miss any of our content. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Sapphire Dusk Collection LITE. So let me get everything out of this lovely pink envelope and I'll tell you a little bit about LITE Collections as I do it. As you may know, for the last 4 years or so, we've been releasing our regular collections on the first Thursday of the month, and they are these large assortments of beads centered around a palette or a theme. And recently in 2025, we expanded our collection portfolio to include LITE Collections, L-I-T-E, and these collections are slightly scaled down. They are more of sampler collections. We focus on quality, we focus on giving you a particular vibe with each LITE collection, and we wanted to make them a little bit more affordable if you're still on the fence whether you want to get a regular collection or not, or if the large collections are just too much for you. Those LITE collections will be also more project driven and project inspired, and we will always make sure that our LITE collection in a given month corresponds very well or complements the main collection in that month. Okay, so this is the May 2025 LITE Collection, Sapphire Dusk. It is quite unusual for us because it's basically almost monochromatic. There's just blue and gold. And this one, as opposed to our first LITE collection from last month, which was a refreshed version of our first collection that we did in collaboration with Bronze Pony. This one is actually scaled down. It's quite limited, both when it comes to products and the number of collections that we made, so make sure you hurry and get one for yourself if you like it. And this one is actually more affordable as opposed to that Bronze Pony collection, which was scaled down but still ended up being more or less the price of our regular collections, just because the original collection 4 years back was so large and had so many products in it that when we scaled it all down, it still ended up being quite expensive. All right, let me tidy it all up and discuss each product individually. So this is the inspiration picture for this collection. And this time we actually first had a product for the collection, and then we went looking for the picture that will represent it the best and to give us some other ideas for the palette and the general feel that the collection was to have. And the product in question was these crystals from ELITE Eureka Crystal, which is a brand of Austrian crystals, machine cut. They are really top quality. And very recently, we had a new color come out called Reimagined Dark Sapphire, and it's just so beautiful and deep. We absolutely had to center an entire LITE collection around it. So these are the elite stones that you get with the collection. But before I discuss them, let me just tell you that with each collection, you get an inspiration photo like this one. And then you also get a piece of paper where you get an inspirational paragraph. If the inspiration photo is not enough, you get some more inspiration in here. But more importantly, you get a list of products that are in the collection so that if you like something, you can look it up by looking at the number on each product. And then you look it up on the list. You get the name of the product, you learn what it is, and then you have the SKU number, which you can enter in our search bar if you want more of the given product. So this is very useful. And now let's talk beads. Like in any collection, there have to be some seed beads. And in this Sapphire Dusk LITE collection, you get 4 tubes of seed beads. You get 2 tubes of Toho beads. And they are in one of the most interesting blue colors that I know. This is semi-glazed navy blue, and it's so beautiful in between shiny and matte. And you get that in 11.0 and in 15.0. Then you get 2 tubes of Miyuki beads. You get this absolutely gorgeous mix of delicas and these 3mm bugle beads. One thing you may notice is that the Miyuki tubes are not filled to the brim. That's because they're packed by weight. You can see here that it's 7.6 grams, and in here it's 8.5 grams. So that's why they will not be full, but you get the amount of product that is supposed to be there. So don't worry, you're not going to be missing any beads. Next up, we have crystals, and let me just take these beauties out. As I said, these are ELITE Eureka Crystal stones. You have two 12mm rivolis and four 8mm chatons. They are so beautiful. I really cannot believe it how beautiful they are. And the fact that this is a LITE collection allows us to put more really top quality crystals and beads in it without making, overpriced or too much. So these are the elites, but you also get these two 12mm Krakovski Crystal cushion stones. And tell me they are not as sparkly and as deep in color as the elites, which Krakovskis are more affordable brands, so they are a little bit cheaper than ELITE, but they are also quite the quality. So these are the stones that you get in the collection. I think they will make a beautiful necklace all together. What do you think? Should I create a project for a necklace including all of those stones? Wouldn't that be awesome? Then I would have almost forgotten the same color, reimagined dark sapphire from ELITE. You also get 4mm bicones. Beautiful. Love this color. Then you get a big long strand of faceted Chinese crystal rondelles. These are 3x2mm and they are in this gorgeous metallic gold color. The final item in the crystal section is this very long strand of 104mm Krakovski crystal. Pearls in this very soft and beautiful golden color. Now, it's not technically a crystal, but I will include it in this section of the video as well. This is Lapis Lazuli stone. It's a cabochon, so it's got a flat back. You can use it in bead embroidery very easily, but you can also just bead around it without the foundation. Now, because this is natural, each one is going to be slightly different when it comes to the pattern. There can be more dark blue or more light blue. There can be some gold speckles. This is a really nice surprise when you get yours and see what it looks like, because each one in each collection is quite unique. Next up, there's Czech beads, and in this department, we are not reinventing the wheel. So you get two strands of fire polish. You have some 6mm jet black ones and some 3mm ones in gorgeous blue metallic color. Then when it comes to Czech 2-hole beads, you just get some super duos. And I must say, I really love this crown blue color. It's a little bit lighter, a lot lighter than, let's say, the crystals or the Toho seed beads, but they're just going to pop wherever you use them. You get a full tube of them. So there's still a lot of possibilities here. And we just wanted a kind of a universal bead shape for this LITE collection, because it's a shape that anyone can use, and there's lots of projects using it, so you can very easily put this entire collection to work with the existing projects as well as the new projects that we're going to come up with. Finally, the findings, and the findings will work great with the main collection this month, which is the Feather Light Dance collection. It also has shiny gold findings, only totally different than these ones here. So with this collection, you get a pair of liverback ear wires. Then you get two very classy, very simple lobster clasps, perfect for necklaces, but also good for bracelets. It's just a staple. As I said, we're not reinventing the wheel. We wanted to focus on the palette here. Then you get a bunch of little charms that are going to look so beautiful in a fringe, especially in an earring. They are drop shaped, and I think they really go very well with the classiness of this collection, with their sort of sleek form and no extra ornamentation. So this is our collection for mid-May of 2025, the Sapphire Dusk collection LITE. And I really do hope that it shows that we did our best to put in all of the best quality and all of the meat and bones and all of the creative possibilities without adding too many beads and supplies to this collection and just focusing on the palette and on the great quality and the general vibe of this collection. Make sure to subscribe for our emails to be notified about all the projects that we're going to make with this collection and all of our future collections. The link to the subscription form will be down in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing and see you in the next video. Bye!